Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Vancouver. Getting around this beautiful city is easy with Translink, Vancouver's public transit system. It offers a convenient network of buses, the Sky Train and the Sea Bus, connecting you across Metro Vancouver. A single fare is valid for 90 minutes, allowing seamless transfers between different transit modes. Paying for your ride is simple with several convenient options. The Compass card is your best bet for discounted fares. Just load it with stored value or a pass and tap when you enter and exit. You can also use contactless payment directly with your credit, debit card, or mobile wallet. For single trips, Compass tickets are available at Sky train station vending machines. Planning your journey is straightforward using the Translink website or a trip planner app. These tools provide real-time schedules and help you find the best routes. Remember, Vancouver's transit system uses 3 fare zones for Sky Train and Sea Bus, but all bus trips are always a one-zone fare. Travel after 6:30 p.m. on weekdays and all day on weekends is also a one-zone fare across the entire system. For a pleasant journey, remember a few key etiquette tips. Always let passengers exit before you board, and be sure to offer priority seating to those who need it. Keep your belongings close, and avoid loud conversations or eating and drinking on board. Also, remember to tap your Compass card when exiting Sky Train or Sea Bus stations to ensure the correct fare is charged.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.